Hi everyone! So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I found through my personal learning network. Um, I found a very interesting article that was on my Twitter feed from EdTech Magazine, and this led me to a new discovery of a new tool for myself. So in the article, 3 ways to use G Suite for education to teach storytelling. It's a Google tool that can assist students with exploring creative writing, makes it easier to analyze spreadsheets and build presentations, and it also keeps your research organized. Um, I remember in high school and in my early years of college, I wasted a lot of valuable time just to get started with how it looked. The battles of formatting my paper and then creating slides took too much time. So I'm sharing this video because I have never used Google Slides before, and Google Explore is one of the newest features of the G Suite tools. Google Explore is made so that you can create better work faster, and you can create an amazing slide presentation in less time. Everything is already formatted, and all you have to do is just, switch out the pictures and switch out the words. And best of all, it saves you time so you can focus on what matters most, which is your paper, your presentation. And that's it. Thank you.